Hello guys, welcome to Pepcoding. In this video, we are going to learn how we can create a matrix in Python and how we can take input from the user for our matrix and how we can display our matrix. So let's do this in full screen mode. Understand. The thing is, when I talk about matrix, I mean to say this structure, this 2D structure, which is having some rows and some column. So this is our row and this is our column. So how I'm going to achieve this? The thing is, what I'm going to do here, I'm going to create a list and going to name that matrix, and in each cell we are not going to store a number, is it? In each cell I'm going to store reference of another list. So in each cell there is going to be another list. See, now if each cell there will be another list, won't it look like or behave like a 2D matrix, right? Or matrix. Okay. So you know how I'm going to achieve this? First I will define a matrix, and for each cell I'm going to define another list, and I will fill this list by the input given by the user. So let's do this. I will do the same as I said. Just have a look. So as I said, first we need to take row and columns input from the user. So let's take the size. So input is going to be R and column is going to be column. Okay. Now I will define a matrix. So it is done. Now we need to fill this for I in range. Okay. Now I have created a matrix of size R. Now what I'm going to do, for each cell I'm going to initialize another list. Just say this list, and I'm going to fill that for j in range. What is the size of these lists? It is going to be the size, like column size C. Now our task is to fill this list. How we can do this? Just define an element and take the input from the user and append this to our list dot append. Now it is done. Now as our row has been completed, what is our next task? To append this in our matrix. So let's do this. Matrix dot append what? This list. Okay, now it is done. So we have taken input from the user for our matrix. Now the last thing is how we can display our matrix. So let's see that. For that, just we have to iterate. How we can? So first I access the rows. I in range. So till R. So how many cells are going to be in the matrix? That is going to be R. So whenever you access each cell, you will get another list, and you have to iterate over there. J in range column, and now you have the cell. So what you need to do, you just need to print that matrix I j, and just don't change the line and put some space between these values. All set. Okay, so let's run this. Okay. After printing one row, we need to change the line. So let's do this first. Now it is done. Let's do this. Yeah, it is accepting. Let's submit this. Yeah, it is okay for all the test cases. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please like, share, and comment, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.